Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great and preparing for the best for UGC NET JRF examination. So yes, if you're preparing for it and you don't want to waste thousands of money on your coaching classes for the best material or the best content, then you are at the right place. Why? Because today I'll be telling you the best YouTube channels from where you can prepare and you can really clear your UGC NET JRF by watching it on free without paying a single penny. Right? So here today I'll be telling you the top 5 UGC NET YouTube channels for paper 1 and for paper 2 also. We'll start with paper 1. The very first YouTube channel is that UGC NET Mentor. Why? I love their consistency. They are up to date. They'll inform you everything. They will tell you a lot of current affairs, daily quizzes, and with a trick. Yes, you will. His language is very easy. Yeah, but his courses are in Hindi. If you understand Hindi, very best for you. So yes, you can follow UGC Net Mentor YouTube channel. The second is on UGC Adda Net. Here, what I feel like that their live classes, their quizzes, their in-depth analysis of each and everything gives a clarity. So yes, you can follow UGC Net Adda, and many of you must be knowing UGC Net Adda. If you're not knowing, then please follow that. That's the best, one of the best, your YouTube channel where you can get the live session, where you can get the quizzes, where you can get the mock test also. So yes, that's good to go. Then third one is Let's Crack NTA UGC Net. Here it is by an academy, I guess. Yes, app based also, but yes, they provide live classes, free mock test, and a lot of things. So yes, you can go for it for all the quizzes and everything. And yes, a lot of sub you can find everything on this. Then yes, this is very important. Indian Logical Reasoning by Mohit Sharma. Why Mohit Sharma? Because his one of his video is there of 97 minutes, right? And if you'll watch that particular video, I must tell you, he has explained so much well, in depth, in crisp, in short, and you will understand very easily. You don't need any book for that, and it is very basic and very easy to understand because that's a very theoretical part. And every time Indian logical questions have come in UGC NET examination. So yes, if you follow Mohit Sharma for particular Indian logical, I particularly referred him for Indian logical. So yes, you can go for it. Then Talveer Singh sir, you must have heard of him. Commerce Net Achievers by Talveer Singh sir. So you can go for him for research, his research aptitude, his logical reasoning, and DI. He has explained so well. I completed my DI with his videos from basic to beginner to the moderate level. He has explained so well. You can see his, you can watch his marathon classes. You can watch his old videos. There he has explained very well. I recommend you to watch his old video because that is very well defined, well crisp, and you can get a idea. And previous year question analysis are also there. So yes, these top 5 YouTube channels are free of cost, and you can definitely believe on them and focus religiously for it. That was for paper 1. Now we'll be talking about for paper 2, that is English literature, which YouTube channel you should follow. The very first one is, I will recommend, please follow Study Lovers. Why? Because if you are dealing with any novel, any story, any plot, any particular word, any summaries, that too in a fun way if you want to understand, he explains in so basic and concise, in a precise manner. So please go and watch his videos if you don't understand summaries or any complex novel. If you want to understand in a easy layman language, then he is the best. You can watch his video. He is so famous on YouTube, and his videos are very nice. When you will watch this, you will explain. He explained so well. So yes, Study Lovers, the very first one. The second YouTube channel you should follow is Literature Lovers. Yes, he explains it so well, and you can watch his previous year series questions. That is very helpful. that is one long, and history of English literature, you can watch his history of English literature, that is in chronological way. You can watch that, because see, on YouTube you will get a lot of videos, but we have to limit that and follow some right path, that yes, we have to be following same thing and we'll be getting everything like that. So follow study levels for all the literature summaries, novels and extracts, and literature lovers, PYQs and chronological way. He also tell you the tricks. Third one is arpitakarwa.com. She has made a lot of videos from starting. When there was no one, she was the one who started English literature and making videos. So yes, you can go and have a glance about the syllabus, about her syllabus and chronological works that is prescribed on the website. That is for website and for the syllabus in chronological way, because so many of you get confused, because NTA UGC NET has not given us a prescribed syllabus, a definite syllabus that yes, in poetry you should be reading these all poetries. No, they have not described us in a good format. And this is very pathetic. Literally, this is very pathetic. You don't know from where question will come. In today's time also, we are not knowing how many questions will come from which section. If even if you are studying wholeheartedly, you have completed 10 books of literature, but still you will not be off short from where the question will be coming. If you are reading European literature, they might ask Dalit literature. If you will read Dalit literature, they might ask the Million literature, which book is translated in which section and what is the cause theme of this. If you will read Caribbean literature, they will ask you African literature. So this is the thing, because we are not having a prescribed syllabus. How can we prepare for that? So yes, for that, Arpita Kawa has given us a brief syllabus. You can go on her website and find that the syllabus, and according to in a chronological way. And yes, of course, my channel, I have started giving you all the strategies, and I am just giving you that yes, you might not miss anything. I'll keep you updated, and I've also planned a lot of things. So yes, these are top 3 YouTube channels for your English literature, and here I'll be giving you whatever I can make you the best strategies which I followed. I'll be sharing my personal experience, and yeah, tell me which YouTube channel you have already followed earlier and which you will be following after watching this video. And yes, if you found this video helpful, kindly do not forget to hit the like button. Do like, share, comment and subscribe for more. Thank you and all of the best for your preparation. Keep your preparation. Don't give up, because if you will give up, lakhs of students are studying right now. So yes, please don't give up. Follow your dreams. And yes, even if you don't have money, you can crack this examination, right? Just remember that. All the best. Thank you.